Today I'm going to show you two methods on how I use vinegar to clean a limescale from my tap. So you're here already, so why not click the subscribe button for more videos to come. So I normally use a solution of vinegar and dishwashing soap. I already have this in a spray bottle because I use it that much for cleaning. We need an IKEA bag, a plastic bag. It doesn't have to be from IKEA. Just as long as the bag doesn't have a hole on it, open it and proceed to take your solution and pour it inside the bag. Yep, just be careful not to spill and put as much or as little as is needed. So once the bag is filled, you want to take that bag, remove your tap, and with a rubber band, a hairband, insert the tap into the solution. Use your rubber band to fix it into place and hold it in place. This will make sure the bag doesn't fall off and the solution touches the tap where the most limescale is stuck. For me, I double bind it, then leave it to work. So I'm just showing you that for me, my limescale is normally at the bottom of the tap. That's where I get the most limescale. Second one is by removing the tap. Actually, most taps are able to be unscrewed. You should try it and see if that works. Mine does. So you go ahead and unscrew it. Remove it. Then you take the tap head and your solution and you simply just pop it into the bag, close it. You can leave it for a good 20 minutes or overnight would be better for it to work. Then come back after the time is gone, remove the tap from the solution. Then I normally use a non-scratch pad to just remove any excess limescale that might still be on the tap, and it should come off quite easily at this point because it's been soaking in that solution. Then once you're done scrubbing away, making sure it's clean, then you simply just rinse it with water to remove the solution, and at this point it should be, the whole thing should be shining and ready to be connected and put back on. And there you have it, no limescale left on the tap and it's ready to be put back on. Just screw it back on. Make sure it's all nice and tight so there's no leakages. Place it back on the holder, then switch the tap on to check that everything is working beautifully, and it is. No limescale, the tap is running beautifully, and that's it.